When editing documents in Word, sometimes we can insert some graphic symbols to make the content more intuitive and lively, like arrows with different shapes and directions. And in Microsoft Word, you can now insert an arrow and type in directly your words or numbers, and here's how. Launch first your Microsoft Word, and then open a new document or open the document you're working on. Switch to Insert tab, click the Shape button to expand the drop-down menu, and there are many different types of arrows with different directions in the block arrow group. In this case, we'll use a right arrow. To insert the arrow, hold your mouse to draw a shape you selected, and then drag its frame to adjust the size and direction of the arrow. We can also change its color or effect in the Shape Format tab. And to add in your text, right-click on the arrow and then select Add Text. Here you can type your own words or numbers. And you can also edit the text in the Home menu. And if this still does not exist on your Microsoft Word, you can still opt to add manually a text box by clicking on this icon that says Text Box. Click and drag the text box inside the arrow, and then change its fill or outline color based on what you need. And with that, you can add many types of arrows to beautify and emphasize your Word document. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.